If you are over 50, you have likely noticed a change in how your body handles stress. Things you once shrugged off now seem to linger. A long day at work, a night of poor sleep, or even just a simple worry can feel heavier than it did in your 20s or 30s. This isn't your imagination. This is a real, physical shift that happens as we age. The pressures that once felt manageable can now accumulate, creating a constant hum of tension in the background of your life. It's a quiet weight that many of us carry, often without realizing how much it truly affects us day to day. This buildup of stress is more than just a feeling of being overwhelmed. It seeps into every corner of your physical and mental health. It can affect your heart, making it work harder than it needs to. It can cloud your memory, making it difficult to recall simple things. It can disrupt your digestion, leading to discomfort and unease. It can even weaken your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. Stress quietly chips away at your energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and depleted before the day has even truly begun. It's a silent thief of vitality. The good news, however, is powerful and liberating. Even if stress has been your constant companion for years, you can begin to loosen its grip starting today. You hold the power to reclaim your sense of calm and restore your natural energy. The solutions are not found in expensive supplements or complicated, time-consuming routines that feel impossible to maintain. You don't need to completely overhaul your life or add more pressure to an already full plate. True, lasting change comes from understanding what your body needs now, at this stage of your life. Welcome to Health After 50 Compass. In this journey together, we will explore the science and the lived experience of stress after 50. More importantly, we will walk through powerful, practical solutions that can help you regain a sense of clarity, control, and profound calm. We are going to focus on simple, realistic steps that fit into your life, not fight against it. These are small habits, consistently applied, that naturally and gently shift your body out of a constant state of alarm and into a place of rest and recovery. Let's begin by understanding what is really happening inside. Your body is speaking a different language now. In your younger years, the stress response system was incredibly resilient. You could bounce back from high-pressure situations with relative ease. But as we cross the threshold of 50, that system begins to change. The stress hormone, cortisol, which once rose to meet a challenge and then quickly fell, now tends to stay elevated for much longer periods. Your body's recovery time slows down, and the nervous system becomes more reactive to stressors, both big and small. This is the biological reality of aging, a shift we must acknowledge and work with. This internal change is often compounded by the external realities of this life stage. Many of us find ourselves at the center of a web of responsibilities. We are supporting grown children, caring for aging parents, managing demanding careers, and navigating financial pressures. We are also dealing with our own health concerns, which can add another layer of worry. Decades of these responsibilities pile up, not in a dramatic crash, but slowly and surely, until the stress becomes a constant low-grade hum that we learn to live with, accepting it as normal. This is the cycle we're here to break. The goal is not to eliminate stress entirely, because that is simply impossible. Stress is a part of life, a signal that we are engaged and that we care. The true objective is to teach your body how to turn off the alarm system when the danger has passed. It's about building your body's ability to return to a state of balance and peace. We will explore how to do this without adding more to your to-do list. The key lies in small, intentional actions that send a powerful message of safety to your brain and nervous system, allowing them to finally stand down. Throughout this guide, I will show you how simple habits can create profound shifts. We will uncover the power of intentional breathing to instantly calm your nervous system. We will see how a short, 10-minute walk can do more for your stress levels than many other complex techniques. We will learn how balancing your blood sugar can directly balance your mind. And we will explore easy ways to release the physical tension stored in your body. This is your roadmap to not just managing stress, but transforming your relationship with it for a calmer, more energetic life. After 50, stress feels different because cortisol, the master stress hormone, lingers longer in our bodies. Instead of quickly dropping after stress, cortisol stays elevated, making it harder to relax. This constant low-level alertness drains your energy and affects sleep, memory, and health. Understanding this shift is the first step to regaining control and helping your body find its off switch again. As we age, our nervous system shifts. Your fight or flight response becomes more dominant, while the ability to relax weakens. Everyday stressors can trigger stronger reactions, making it harder to calm down. The key is to strengthen your body's brake, the parasympathetic system, to restore balance and resilience. By our 50s, we carry not just biological changes but the weight of decades of responsibility and experience. Each role, career, family, caring for others, adds to a slow, steady emotional load. The sandwich generation often supports both children and aging parents, leaving little room for self-care. Recognizing this cumulative weight is empowering. It's time to lighten the load and care for ourselves too. The simplest, most powerful tool to manage stress is your own breath. Intentional breathing is a direct way to calm your nervous system. No equipment needed. When you slow and deepen your breath, especially the exhale, you send your body a message: I am safe. This simple act interrupts stress, helping you reclaim calm and control anytime, anywhere. The secret to stress-reducing breathwork is simple. A longer exhale calms your body by activating the vagus nerve. This nerve is your body's natural tranquilizer, slowing your heart rate and lowering blood pressure. When you exhale slowly, you signal your body that it's safe to relax. The most effective technique? The physiological sigh. Inhale through your nose for 4. Exhale through your mouth for 6 or 8. The key is a longer out-breath than in-breath. Just a few cycles of this can lower stress hormones and bring immediate relief. It's not just a quick fix. It trains your nervous system to recover from stress faster. Practice for 1 to 3 minutes whenever you need a reset. Over time, you'll build resilience and teach your body to return to balance more easily. This is the science and the power behind a simple, mindful exhale. Intentional breathing is powerful because you can do it anywhere, anytime, no equipment needed. Start small. 1 minute of focused breathing, several times a day. Link it to daily routines, after waking, while your coffee brews, or before starting your car. Use it before stressful moments, like opening your inbox or answering a tough call. Just 60 seconds of slow, extended exhales can shift your state from reactive to calm. Consistency matters more than duration. 3 1-minute breaks beat 1 long session. Each slow exhale strengthens your relaxation pathways. Over time, this habit becomes automatic, your body's go-to response to stress. You're not just managing stress, you're rewiring your nervous system for resilience. Make breathing breaks a regular, empowering part of your day. Forget intense workouts. The humble 10-minute walk is a game changer for stress relief, especially after 50. Think of it as active relaxation, not exercise. It's about gentle movement to release tension, not burning calories. No special gear or gym required, just a safe place to walk. Find a pace that feels good. The goal is to break up the physical rigidity that stress creates. Research shows short, frequent walks can boost mood and reduce stress as effectively as longer workouts. A 10-minute walk fits easily into your day and pays big dividends for your well-being. Each step is a way to process and release stress, clearing space in your mind. It's a moving meditation, grounding you in the present and helping worries fade. This isn't just exercise, it's essential self-care for your mind and body. A 10-minute walk triggers powerful biological changes that reduce stress. Walking lowers stress hormones and signals your brain that you're moving away from danger. It helps your body clear out cortisol and adrenaline, ending the stress response cycle. Endorphins are released, lifting your mood and easing anxiety. The rhythmic motion relieves muscle tension and boosts circulation, clearing brain fog. You feel lighter, both physically and mentally, after just a few minutes. Walking outdoors adds even more benefits. Natural light regulates sleep, and nature calms your mind. Even seeing trees or greenery can lower your heart rate and blood pressure. This biophilia effect means we're wired to relax in nature. A simple stroll outside is a powerful natural way to reset your body and mind. The real power of the 10-minute walk comes from making it a daily ritual. Treat it as non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. Find the time that works best for you, morning, midday, or evening. Create cues to make it easy. Keep shoes by the door, have a playlist ready, or invite a friend. Remove barriers so walking becomes effortless. Don't aim for perfection. Even a 5-minute walk is better than none. The goal is steady momentum, not a perfect streak. Flexibility and self-compassion help you stick with it long-term. This gentle, consistent habit retrains your nervous system and lowers your baseline stress. Make your daily walk a cornerstone of your well-being. What you eat directly affects your mood and stress levels, especially after 50. Unstable blood sugar is a hidden driver of anxiety and irritability. High-sugar meals cause spikes and crashes, triggering cortisol and putting your body in a stress state. This internal roller coaster can make you feel anxious or overwhelmed for no obvious reason. After 50, your body is even more sensitive to these swings. A blood sugar crash sends an emergency signal, releasing stress hormones. You might crave more sugar, fueling a vicious cycle of stress and cravings. It's not just your circumstances, it's your physiology at work. Balancing blood sugar is a key strategy for calming your mind and body. Eat for stability, and you'll feel more resilient and at ease. The most effective way to stabilize your blood sugar and calm your mind all day is to start with a protein-rich breakfast. Protein digests slowly, giving you steady energy and preventing the mid-morning crash that comes from sugary foods. Have your coffee with or after your meal to avoid jitters and keep your energy even. Make protein the star of your morning, and you'll set a calm, steady tone for the rest of your day. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast for steady energy. At every meal, include protein, healthy fat, and fiber to keep blood sugar stable. For snacks, combine food groups like apple with almond butter or veggies with hummus. Skip sugary drinks, choose water or herbal tea instead. These simple swaps help you feel calm, focused, and resilient all day. Ever notice tension in your neck or shoulders after a stressful day? That's your body physically storing stress. For many over 50, this tension becomes chronic, leading to pain and stiffness. Modern stressors like deadlines or worries keep these muscles tight year after year. Gentle movement can break this cycle, signaling your body it's safe to relax. You don't need a deep tissue massage or a complicated routine to release tension. Just 1 minute of slow, mindful shoulder and neck rolls, done sitting or standing, can melt away stiffness and stress. Practice daily for relief, better circulation, and a calmer mind. As we age, sleep can become fragile, often disrupted by stress and racing thoughts. A simple way to break this cycle is to write down your worries, to-dos, and things you're grateful for before bed. This 5-minute ritual clears your mind, helping you relax and prepare for a peaceful, restorative night's sleep. Your environment shapes your stress. A cluttered home can overwhelm your mind, while a calm, tidy space soothes it. Small changes, clearing a surface, adding a plant, or letting in fresh air, can transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary. These simple tweaks nurture your peace of mind every day. How you begin your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Instead of reaching for your phone and inviting stress, try a simple 5-minute reset. Start with a glass of water to rehydrate and awaken your body. Then practice 1 minute of intentional breathing to calm your mind. This gentle routine helps you begin the day with calm, clarity, and control. The final step in your morning reset is to set a simple intention for the day, not a task, but a guiding principle. This intention acts as your mental compass, anchoring you when life gets busy or stressful. It can be a word like calm or presence, something that centers you. Write it down and keep it visible. This simple act helps you start your day with clarity and peace. The path to a less stressful life after 50 isn't about grand gestures but small, consistent steps. Simple habits like a short walk, a deep breath, or a nourishing meal build resilience and calm. These small actions, repeated daily, add up to real transformation. Progress, not perfection, is the goal, so be kind to yourself along the way. After 50, a calmer, more energetic life isn't about turning back the clock. It's about embracing your wisdom and working with your body, not against it. Imagine waking up rested, handling challenges with calm, and having energy for what you love. Start small, maybe a walk after dinner or writing down worries before bed. Every step you take toward calm is a step toward a brighter, more vibrant future.